This is how you start the fridge on Beth. Start the engine. These controls, one is defrost, the other one turns the fridge on. There are instructions next to it as to when to defrost the vehicle, but to turn the fridge on you just press the green button. It doesn't light up, then you have to go outside. Once outside at the passenger side, you'll see this here, you need to turn this to the generator, and that kicks the fridge in. You then have these options. So compartment 1 will be the bulkhead, change it from chilled to frozen with a preset, and the light will be on depending on which one you pick. Turn compartment 2 on, you can then turn that to chilled, frozen. So if you want dual temp, frozen and chilled, and then put the divider down. If you want have ambient plus 20 degrees, turn those on to plus 20 and it will go up to plus 20 degrees. Turn it all off, you do exactly the same thing. So turn these off, turn that off, and then press the green button before turning the engine off.